Welcome to our newest listing in Koongal. Come and check out what this multi-level property has to offer. As a mother of two, I personally love how the open plan kitchen, living, dining flows seamlessly with the 2 bedrooms and bathroom on this level. One of the best features about this large family home in Koongal is the way that all of the upstairs rooms connect with one another, allowing for multiple uses: office, nursery. The upper level, as well as 4 bedrooms, includes a main bathroom. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful family home in Koongal, get in touch with me or anyone at the team at the agency.